Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a really cheap roof rack. And it works just perfect. So, got this kayak up here. All I did was these noodles from K-mart, some rope from Harbor Friet, and these 3 straps. Got one up there and I got a noodle up there to make a roof rack. And all you have to do is just run the rope through here, run it right here and tie it up, and then get your Harbor Friet straps, run them around at the front, crank that one down, crank that one down, and crank that one down. Then you got a nice roof rack. That thing's secure, it's not going anywhere. And if we're up here, we can just test it. This thing isn't going anywhere. And it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks like a real, people use it on their regular roof racks, and it's that same blue. So I think it's pretty good. It was $12 for these noodles and $18 for the straps and the rope. So $30 roof rack, that's probably the more expensive one. You could probably get it for less than $20. If you like this video, make sure to share it with friends, leave a like, and subscribe.